Dear ladies and gentlemen, and all of our dear customer and colleagues, good afternoon. At this special moment, we sincerely thanks for all your time to participate in our 11th anniversary celebration. In today's celebration, we have prepared a special procedure for our customers. In the past 11 years, with the growing effort of our excellent customers, the long-term strategic cooperation, we have awarded the following customers with our over 5 years successful cooperation together. They are Plaga Technical Mr. Song. So please stand up.
RGM Tooling Mr. Rich May. Please show up.
Massimo Taibo Mr. Nick Pan.
Nine Cross Composite Mr. Chris Durant. Welcome. Thank you.
Luca Mr. Adrian Acosta.
Material International Mr. Bruce Cole. Thank you.
We do appreciate for all their long-term strategies. So let's invite them to be in our stage.